So hi guys, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how I cleaned, polished and waxed my beautiful Alpine A110. So step one was a good wash. You will see in the following video. The first step of this wash was a ferrous decontamination to remove any ferrous contaminant on the paint. Then I did a good clean on the rims. They are ceramic coated, so they don't need much attention. And then I did a contact wash by hand with a great soap. I did not do any clay bar on the paint because I did it 6 months ago and I felt that it wasn't needed. Okay, so we made it back home. The car is now quite clean. I have a few water spots here and there and maybe some dirt coming from the drive from the car wash to my place, but nothing crazy, nothing I can't do with a quick detailer. I think this afternoon I will do a polishing step, maybe a light polishing step, and then a wax. So the car is from February 2020. It hasn't been polished since, but it's, I think, quite in a good shape. I really take great care of my cars, so you can see even without the wax, the paint is really great. So now let's prep the paint with a quick detailer for the polishing step. single step polish, one pass, and check out the results. Amazing. So this is the final result after the wax, after the finishing touches. I'm very happy with the result. The car looks brand new after almost 3 years of ownership, 10,000 almost 11,000 kilometers.